Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we will learn phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter D. Sound of the letter D is D. Day, D. Dad, D. Dip, D. Dew. Day, dad, dip, dew. D. Date, D. Dig, D. Dot. Sound of the letter D is D. D. Dentist, D. Doctor, D. Dancer, Let's learn few more words with the letter D. Door, D. Down, D. Drum set, D. Dice. Door, down, drum set, dice. Let's learn about few animals. D. Duck, D. Dove, D. Deer, D. Dolphin, D. Dinosaur, D. Donkey, duck, dove, deer, dolphin, dinosaur, donkey. Let's learn few more words with letter D. D-O-L-L, doll. D-E-S-K, desk. D-R-O-P, drop. D-U-S-T, dust. D-R-A-W, draw. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-R-T, dirt. Doll, desk, drop, dust, draw, dinner, dirt. That's all for today. See you in next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.